एसएटी का एग्ज़ाम जो है उसकी डेट्स चलिए चेक कर लेते हैं। अगस्त में एग्ज़ाम है, यहाँ पर डेट्स दिख जाएंगी हमें। तो जो टेस्ट डेट है अगस्त की वो है 23 ऑफ अगस्त, और जो रजिस्ट्रेशन डेडलाइन है वो है 8 ऑफ अगस्त। एसएटी के क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए हाउ वी फाइंड द क्वेश्चंस ऑनलाइन, उसके लिए लेट मी शो यू। सर्च एसएटी क्वेश्चंस। सो this link will open when you will search SAT questions. Let me take you step by step. College Board SAT questions, as you all know, College Board is the one uh, which conducts the exam. So you go to SAT question bank here, and after this, find questions. So in find questions, we will choose assessment and then choose type. We have to, so these are the four different categories. Let's go for algebra, and then on algebra, this is the topics. From here we can find some questions to practice, right? How many questions are there? 519 questions in result. So let us look at the questions. One of the most important topic in SAT test is the quadratics, and especially the vertex form these days. It's coming in digital SAT a lot. So let's see if I can find some questions on. It is taking some time. Okay, let's go to first. So here we can see the topic which is related to the question. So let's say if I click on this question, so if after clicking on the ID question, we will see the question here and then the correct answer here. This is the domain, what skill this question is testing, math test, SAT difficulty level, and then here the correct answer and the reason rationale behind the answer, why this question has this answer, right? So right now my focus is on finding questions on quadratics. So let's see 50 questions on one page. Let's go to first page. Yes, and let's see if I can find out some questions on quadratics. So one of the important form, anyways, one of the important question, let me just put a white screen here. One of the important question in quadratics which is coming these days is on vertex form of quadratic. Vertex form goes like this: f of x is equal to, let's say, k x minus a whole square plus h. You can use a, or you can use one, can you might have studied a here and c here, that doesn't matter, and something, let's say d here or b here, that doesn't matter, what constants we are using. So the benefit of this vertex form is, let us say I have this quadratic which is going, let us say, like this. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 2 comma negative 1. So this is the vertex. Now the benefit of vertex form is we can directly write down the equation of the quadratic from the vertex form. It's very easy to write. Now this number here, this goes for a, and this number here minus 1, it goes for this h. So we have got the equation as x minus 2 whole square plus, and for h we have got minus 1, right? Now k is still not known from the vertex. Now k we have to find out on our own. So we need another point on this quadratic graph to find the value of k. For that I am using, let's say, 3 comma 0. You can also use 1 comma 0. The k will come out to be same from both of them. So let's use 3 comma 0 as the vertex. So if x is as the point, if x is 3, f of x, that is y, is 0, I'm gonna put this value here, and I am getting 1 minus 1, and I'm getting value of k as 1. So that means the complete form, the complete equation of the quadratic is this. So this is the benefit of the vertex form. We can directly write down the equation from the vertex form. Now let us find out some questions. Let me just find out some questions on the vertex form to do it directly. Vertex form questions in SAT. Just go to images, and I hope here it is. Here are some questions on Khan Academy. Okay, here are some questions on Khan Academy. Let's do one or two questions from here. A hovercraft takes off from a platform. Its height in x meters, its height in meters x seconds after takeoff is modeled by this. How many seconds after takeoff will the hovercraft land on the ground? So it means when it lands on the ground, its height will be zero. When it lands on the ground, its height will be zero, right? And this is a negative coefficient here, which indicates downward parabola. I hope you know that this indicates downward parabola. And x minus 3 whole square plus 108, this is the vertex is 3 comma 108, right? Which is the vertex. So this point is vertex in this case, which is at 3 comma something here 108, right? So it is going like this. So now I need how many seconds after, and x is the seconds here. So I need the value of x for which the height is 0. So what I'm gonna do, in place of height I'm gonna put 0, and then I will solve it for x. And to do that, first I will take 108 on the other side, on the left side, and it becomes this. And then I will divide by -3 on both sides. So these two gets cancelled, right? X minus 3 whole square. Now, x minus 3 square is 36, which means x minus 3 is either 6, or x minus 3 is -6, or x minus 3 is -6. So I'm getting x is 9 from here, and from here x is -3. Since x is time, the negative value is not acceptable. So x is equal to 9. So after 9 seconds, this is gonna be on the ground again. And if I draw the graph, its graph is going to be like this. This is 9. But since it is the time cannot be negative, x is time cannot be negative. So the graph on the left side of the origin, which is from where the x is supposed to be negative, will not be there. So this is the graph for this question, and this top vertex is 3 comma 108, and this is y-intercept. Y-intercept is, at y-intercept x is 0. So to find the y-intercept, though it is not required in this question, but I'm just doing it for the to complete this question for you in every sense. If you have any other questions, you can put it in the comment section. And here I get it is 81. So 81, 0 comma 81 is the uh, initial height. 0 comma 81 is the initial point. 0 comma 81, 81 meters represents the initial height of the hovercraft when it started. So let us check. Our answer is 9 seconds. So that was it for the vertex form. So uh, it will come, you will get the concepts by practicing it, right? So we are on our website, you can we are putting courses, both paid and free. Here you will see a course on SAT. There will be two courses. One will be free, one will be paid. On free, you will get some questions to practice with video solutions. Every course has video solutions with it, and you can practice SAT questions free of cost from here. And if you like our content, you like the questions and the likelihood of coming them in the exam, and we try to make them as close, and we analyze the previous questions and keep them as close to the real pattern as possible. You can practice it from you can buy the paid courses also. So they are coming here very soon. You can practice that from here. All right, that's it for now, and we'll come back with another video, right? Okay.